Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Deborah Cabassa Home Living, guys. This video is part of an open collaboration which is host every month. I'm sorry guys, I apologize. I'm sorry guys. That's life. I have two dogs. So guys, like I was saying, this video is part of an open collaboration host every month by a group of lovely ladies. Guys, I cannot really remember the names of all of them, but I know is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Present Things, the Designers Loft. The main host, the founder of the group is Maria from Yetras Creaciones, which I be linking everybody in the description box. Guys, and this collaboration is host at the last Monday of every month. Um, for personal reasons, I couldn't do my video last month. You guys know that I have a daughter on dialysis, so that was the reason. Guys, I've been working on Mackenzie-Childs Inspires DIY. I wanted a box that I could use to put things and display on top of it, but also that I can store things in it. I have not finished my box, guys. I am doing this pattern, as you guys can see. Um, the top portion, the box is white, okay? The box itself is white, but it is not the bright white that I wanted, so I actually painted. So what I did was I took paint from the Dollar Tree, this one right here, and I mixed it with baking soda, and it worked, so it gave it a nice color. So I give it the white that I wanted. As you guys can see, in the back it's not finished. I still have not done the pattern. In the front, I still got a few more to paint. So guys, this is the most easiest pattern to do. I am using just a regular stick. I put it on a, let me see if I could bring you guys down. I put it on the slanted angle, like so. Let me see. I put it on this angle, like this. With a pencil, I drew my lines going this way, all of them this way. You guys can see my space is the same space of the stick. So I drew all my lines slanted. Then I went the opposite way and I drew my lines with a pencil. And like I said, the top is painted with paint, but on the sides, just for purpose of the video, this side I did it with magic marker. So I'm using a Sharpie. It's very simple to do. As you guys can see, I have a couple of hairs on the end that I got it finished. So I will do that for you guys. Guys, I've been doing this box for like 3 days because I have not been rushing it, but this video is due today. So I'm just using the Sharpie. I'd rather use the paint. I'm using acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree for the black pattern. But with the magic marker, it takes a long time, you know, because it's the only one that I have. So I got lucky that it has not run out of paint. But I like use the brush, and you have to have a steady hand for the magic marker. So I'm just gonna show you that one. You guys can see there, and I did mess it up right there because I'm holding it on a hard angle. And then I'm going to take the gold pen from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make some dots in between. So I'm gonna do that, guys, and I'm gonna come at you, and then I'm gonna finish the other side, and I'm going to do a little display. Guys, I also went thrifting. This is like whew, last summer, and this came inside of a bag. But you guys see that paint job? That was horrible. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it. If I cannot fix it, I'll put it right outside where I had it in my front porch. But it's pretty bad. You guys see the neck right there. So I don't know if I could do anything with it, but I'm gonna try to fix it. But if I was going to use this, I would have used this for Easter, or I still could use it for the summertime. Guys, I'm gonna pause you. I'm gonna do my gold dots and I'll be right back, guys. Well, guys, I'm almost done. I don't know if you guys can see. I did the dots in between the pattern. Um, I still gotta do this side and this side. So I'm going to be doing that. I finished the front. I painted the black. So now I'm doing my dots. So now I'm going to do the gold dots on the other side. And I'm also have, I don't know what I did with it. But anyways, I have this, this was from an old purse that I had. I'm trying to make like a flower with this. See if I could roll and make a flower. It's not easy because it's all the same size. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. But I gotta look in Pinterest, see if I see a flower that I like, that I can actually see if I could do something similar to it. So let me finish the box. This is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna do a little display, and I'm still got some things to do. I was looking for my little piece that I have to do the handle. I have like a little leather. I'm going to be making a little hole here, and I'm going to put a little leather hanging out of it. So guys, let me find that little piece of leather and then let me put it in the box, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back after I don't know how many hours later. My husband got home from work. Guys, he's actually officially an assistant manager. He has the meeting today, and I announced it yesterday. So now I am working on the ducky. I'm trying to make it more crisp, the line, because there are some parts that are like the wood is showing. So I don't know, maybe this one I'm going to do lines with gold, but yeah, I'm trying to fix also the neck, because you could see that big crack is open. So let me finish him, and I will right back with you guys. Well, guys, I finished the duck. It still has some wet paint. As you guys can see, I put the gold in it. It was hard to fix him. It still looks like he's not fixed because the paint is not completely dry. Once it gets dry, it'll be more matte. I'm gonna clean the table because I have paint, I have everything. I didn't do the flower because I've been here for quite a while, and I didn't finish the box in the back. But I don't want to ruin it. Hold on. I didn't finish the back in the box, but I put the leather strap. I did the size, you guys can see, with the gold dots. I am going to be giving this a coat of matte polish, and I'm going to be using, I don't know if I think I'm going to use the regular matte polish, and I also going to do the pattern on the bottom. But guys, this is the heavy duty box. It's the box that it comes at my husband's job with some pastry, so it's cold resistant, and I am going to line it inside. I still have not gotten a I want to use like a cloth, a nice heavy duty cloth to line it inside. And also, I know Mackenzie-Childs, they have some butterfly theme items. So I don't know if I'm going to use any of the butterflies to put here in the front, like in the center. I'm only going to place one. So I don't know. Or I just place a tiny little one of these, maybe one in each corner. I really don't know because I want to be able to use it even beyond the summer. Do you know what I mean? So butterflies for winter, I don't know. Maybe I'll find a nice flower pattern that I could actually use for it, and I will do it in the corner or maybe on the corner on the top. So guys, let me style it and show you. Well, it's going to be using different display, but mainly I'm going to finish it, and I want to do a Mackenzie-Childs inspired table scale with black, gold, and white. So that's going to be my next table. So guys, let me pause you right there. Let me style the box, and I'll be right back. Well, guys, here I have the box. I have a red candle, and right next to it, I have a DIY that I have done for Christmas. Unfortunately, the top fell off and broke. So I just decided to put a bird there. This was the bottom of a lamp that I have DIY. So yeah, guys, let me give you another different look. Guys, here's my other look with the light candle on and a candle stand and a black candle stand. I got the birdie on the floor, and of course I have a little black vase with there are black flowers and red flowers. Guys, let me turn off the light and show you with the lights off. Here is with the light off, which is not much different, but I like it. So yeah, guys, I do have some candles that I'm going to be using with this that I'm going to be DIYing, but those are not going to be light up. But yeah, guys, I hope you like my DIY, and this is a Mackenzie-Childs inspired trash to treasure. Yeah, and I was going to actually throw the flowers away because there are black flowers, which I have used for Halloween. But yeah, they came out handy. So there they are, guys. So thank you, everybody, for participating in this collaboration. And Maria, thank you for hosting once again. And hopefully I get to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.